My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so yeah, early sneaker review. Y'all know I do this. Even for the shoes I don't get. The shoes that I'm on the fence about purchasing. I still give y'all an early review because I want y'all to see the shoe. This is, if you're new to my channel, I basically just give you a detailed look of the shoe in hand. Then when I get home, I give y'all detailed information about the shoe. So the initial review of the shoe is never going to be all facts. Like, the release date might be wrong, the retail, just retail price might be wrong, unless I know the shoe off the top of my brain what it is. But when I do get home in the same video, I give y'all all information. I just wanted to touch bases on anybody that might be new to my channel. Yeah, and another thing that I added is now I leave the release date and the retail price in the description too also. So I don't really think I need to add like locations. So I mean, y'all pretty much know where they're gonna be at, like Foot Lockers and Champs and stuff like that, unless they're an exclusive shoe. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just got to the location right now, so I'm gonna give y'all this early review, and then after that I'm gonna head back home. Well, I'm gonna stop and get some food, because I am so hungry. Then I'm gonna head home and give y'all some detailed information about the shoe. Got it? Y'all with me? Okay, so enjoy the review, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay. As you can see, we got the Air Jordan 5 box right here. Got that cement print going all around it. Got the Air Jordan Flight Club in the circle with like a orange right there. Jumpman. Let's drop this down. Boom. Turn this around. This Air Jordan 5 retro. Color is Army Olive Solar Orange. This is a size 12. This is not a personal pair. This is just so I can give y'all this early review like I like doing, y'all. So just a retail price, I think it's $210. I'm not too sure. I'll give y'all more information when I get home. But like I said, this is not a personal pair. I'm still debating on the fence if I want to get these or not, because another Jordan comes out like 5 days after this. It's a women's exclusive Air Jordan 4. If I can get a chance to get an early review on that, I will get that. But I'm debating. I don't really want to buy 2 Jordans in the same week, especially Jordans I know I'm not going to wear right away. I'm trying to save some money, you feel me? Like, I'm trying to like really take myself back from buying shoes in general that I don't need to buy. But yeah, just want to give y'all this early review. That's why it's not my size. Cement paper right there. Put that right to the side. I'm gonna get both shoes out. Let y'all see it just yet. And then y'all see a little preview right there. Put all that paper back in there. Boom, boom, boom. And without further ado, put that right there. We got we'll tuck these laces real quick so it can look nice for y'all. We got the Air Jordan 5 Olive. Boom. Okay, so like I said, we got the Air Jordan 5 Olives. I mean, from first glance, when I first saw these in the images, I did like these. I mean, I still like them, don't get me wrong. Still like them. Got that olive green upper going through. I don't really know what material this is, but like I said, I will give y'all some more information, some more detailed information when I get home. Got that clear netting right there on the side. That solar orange on the tongue, the Jumpman, with the silver. I think this is 3M. I could be wrong, but I think it is 3M. Got that orange guts right there, the inside right there. Air Jordan, as you can see on the back of the tongue, that army green laces. Got the lace lock, clear lace lock right there. 5s used to be in my top 5, my top 3 silhouettes. They in my top 5, but no pun intended. But they not no more. I mean, I liked it because one of my favorite sitcoms was The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and Will Smith used to always wear 5, so that's why they was in my top 5 or top 3. But now they got bumped up. They're not in number 4 now. Got that clear bottom right there, icy translucent bottom right there with the Jumpman underneath, Jordan right there on the bottom, more translucent icy on the back heel, Jumpman on the back heel right there. Yeah, I mean, pretty solid shoe. Nothing wrong with it. Wish they would have given us a special box. I understand why they didn't give us a special box, but I mean, it's a good shoe. It's a good shoe. I'm definitely contemplating if I want to get my own personal pair, if I think these are worth a pickup. I think the retail price is gonna be like $225. I could be wrong about that. Again, once I get home, like I always say, I'll give you more information. But some 4s come out the same week, so I gotta pick. I'm not gonna get both. But I like these. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm really like leaning more towards getting them than not getting them. I still got some time. They come out March the 2nd. So it's still got like a week. So, but very, very good shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. This is a copper drop. If this is worth the pickup or not. But these are definitely gonna sit though. Like I'm telling you right now. So that's why I'm not really worrying about not getting them. The 4s really don't sit. 5s does. So at least a couple weeks after the initial drop. So I'm not really worrying about them selling out. I live in California. There's enough retail stores where they're gonna have pairs. So it's not gonna be a limited GR either. So, oh, got the orange shark tongue right there on the sole. So, I mean, I like the shoe. It's a dope shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this shoe. And we're gonna go back to the spot, and I'm gonna give y'all some actual information on the shoe right now. So stay tuned for that. All right, okay. As you can see, we back home. I had to move my chair over a little bit because my desk is a mess right now. I didn't feel like cleaning up, so I'm sitting at this little angle right now, so y'all don't gotta see this mess. But got some information off of kicksonfire.com. It'll be right next to me. Should be up right now on the screen if you want to read along. So yeah, so suggested retail price for this is $225. See, $225 is crazy. $225 is crazy for that shoe. So that might make me want to pass on this shoe. And it comes out March the 2nd. I think that's next week or something like that. All right, some information. The Air Jordan 5 Olive made its debut way back in 2006. It has never gotten a retro release since. That looks like it's about to change, as word is going around that the Air Jordan 5 Olive will be making a return during spring 2024. When first released, the Air Jordan 5 Olive was part of the Jordan brand's Lifestyle LS series, which also included matching apparel. Excuse me. This colorway of Jordan's 5th signature sneaker comes dressed in an army olive, solar orange, and black color scheme. The 2024 version consists of an olive suede texture upper with tonal shades of green on the mesh midfoot panel and eye stays. Contrast comes by way of the bright orange accents on the inner lining, Jumpman logo on the tongue and heel as... What happened? Oh, sorry about that. Maybe these why I was at Jumpman logos on the tongue and heels, as well as on the shark tooth graphic on the midsole. Other notable features include 3M metallic silver tongue, a green midsole, and icy translucent outsole. And here's some more images of it. So it is a 3M material on the tongue. The material around the main shoe is suede. There were the 3M right there, as you can see. Yeah, I mean, it's a dope shoe. I like the shoe, not gonna lie. And this has came out before. It came out in 2016. This is the first time they retroed it. Listen, I am on the fence on it, but that 225 is like... So, we're gonna see. I'm gonna see how I feel. It looks good, man. Look at those on feet. Let's go some images on feet. I might have to get this shoe. It looks good. It's a nice looking green. Army green. I like it. The more images I see, the more I'm like, yeah, I think I want to get this.
You gotta show me.
I'm definitely gonna show you. I got it. The more and more, look at class. Look at this.
Damn. That was cool.
I like that shoe. 1 to 10, I'll definitely get that shoe about a 8.5. That's a great green shoe. It's not lime. It's not like that. It's an olive army green. I like that with the orange, with the shark teeth. Like, it's a nice shoe. I like that. So y'all saw that on the side of it. What you think this worth about? Just $225 is a lot of money, man. $225 is a lot of money. I don't know, man. Jordan Brand be killing us with this money, but I might have to get it.
Yeah, you might have.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see how I feel next week when they drop. This is an early review on this shoe. Just want to get some images, some content out for y'all. If I did buy that, that would be my first shoe bought in the month of March. February is almost over. This is a leap year, so there's 29 days in this month, not 28. But I'm pretty much done with shoes this month. I did buy these. Let me show you these, cause I didn't do a review for these. I bought these last week on a Thursday. So these are the waffle dunks. I like these waffle because of the side. You see that like that. So I like these. I haven't bought a pair of dunks in a long time. And like I said, I didn't do a review on these because it's a dunk. And I'm not really doing a review on dunks like that, unless it's a special edition dunk, whatever like that. So this is the last shoe I bought, which is on last week, and it's probably gonna be the last shoe I buy of the month of February. So from buying nothing in January to I think I bought probably like 7 shoes this month, and then who knows how much we're gonna buy next month. So it is what it is. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 5 Olive. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Is it worth the pickup? Is it not worth the pickup? Is the price too much? Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. It's always from your host Tune, aka your favorite sneaker here, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.